Hello! This video shows how to install and activate the ultimate version of Stock Sync for WooCommerce with Google Sheets. After installing the plugin, click on Sync Unlimited Products with Premium Features. Now click on Get Ultimate. Set your desired options and click on Buy Now down below. Complete your payment information using your preferred payment. After completing your payment, be sure to check out your email. Scroll down and click on WP Pool account area. Enter your credentials to log into your WP Pool account. Now go to the Download section and download the credentials for the Stock Sync plugin. Then go back to your plugin. Click on Add New of the Plugin section and then click on Upload Plugin. Now click on Choose File and select the zip file for the Stock Sync plugin you downloaded. Click on Install Now and then activate the plugin. You can also let this plugin to collect data so that we can further make improvement to the plugin. Now go to License of the plugin. Then copy the license from your WP Pool account and paste it in the License section to activate the plugin. Now go to Settings and you will see that you can now sync unlimited products listed in your Google Sheet. Go to Settings of the plugin and remember to enable the option for adding new products from Google Sheets. In addition, enable the option for Show SKU as well as the Show Short Description option. You will see that the SKU and short description columns are now activated.